Una dey see una life. E dey pay me say, even when Bible say, whosoever that find a wife find good thing or dey favor from him. But now, whosoever that find a wife find heart attack. If they give some women document for this country, it just be like say they give them rank for army barrack. See where women they control their men just because say now they have the documents. My problem is that men no longer talk. Even woman just know say this thing when she they do no right, no good. You go just see purposely they do and just because say you know say now she hold document. The one when they pay me pass. Even children now when they born for this Europe now, men now not even have right to control your picking. Because if you just tell picking and say Junior sit down there, the woman will tell you say who give you the right to shout for my picking, like say now only you one can get them. Oh, Europe. Now bad thing we do to come this country. Una don't turn our own blood sister against us for this country. Our own sister no longer look us like brothers again. They look us like say we be rats when we say pussycat they pursue. When we will survive for this one? See, many men they suffer for this country, no they let them talk come out. What they keep man pass na eternal injury. Na he keep pass person when break two leg. He get wetin person go see that time. He go come out and tell his friend say, see wetin they pass through. Nobody they feed the explain give the friend and say, see wetin they happen for my family. Just because say now women hold documents. See where woman when fair born now, they even they control small boy of 25 years just because say now Europe law. Oh, when we go get sense, when we go get sense. See, this Europe when we dey now, you know say I fit talk competition no good. When I just see say person everybody just dey pack enter. She be we dey see wetin dey happen for inside now. No more tradition. Person no people no they no longer respect their senior. See where small pikin now go dey challenge person when senior. If you talk now, you go say, bro, now Europe we dey. Oh, when we go get sense, when we go get sense. See, if we no get sense this year, we no go get sense again. Una dey see una life, if they pay me say, people go they say, Europe don't help Nigeria because of Europe, it will say not be Europe. Boys for all the tip pot of soup for fire for Nigeria. Pause. My brother, see, if God want to bless you, even though say you did Togo, your helper will locate you. May not be say I'm a bad person. Europe help 30%. The remaining 70%, Europe scatter them. No more tradition, no more respect. See, go Nigeria. Husband and wife, they farm now for village. They enjoy their marriage, they drink gari, they enjoy. Man will call your pikin now, send that message, you go. Man will call your wife now, send that message, you go. Call your now, call your wife now. Only the answer when go answer you, you go forget what you be want tell them. They tell me say Europe help Nigeria. See, let me tell you, you know how many soul this Europe don't take just because I want to go Europe. You know how many soul this Europe don't destroy just because I want to make money. You know how many people they suffer and they talk to you. You just say now by wear agbada. You just say now by wear clothes. They tell me say Europe don't help Nigeria. Europe help 30%. The remaining 70% Europe condemn them. Europe don't turn our own sister now to our enemy. Where we say there's person that for Nigeria. People now go they farm. Even Okada, they go they enjoy their life. Every Sunday they go they enjoy. See what people they pass through for your heart attack. Person no longer get freedom. Just like they cage us, they put us for prison. Just be like say they put us for kidnapping. You no get right now to go Nigeria, the country now, when they for born you, no get right to go. If they not give you the document, then you'll be like, see, let me tell you, man. If you know, say people go to say, if they not give me the document now, I think go tell them, make they deport me. Let me shock you. You get where you will reach, eh? You will even go meet them, say, make they deport you. They not agree to deport you again. They will investigate what the reason why you say you won't go back. You never know where you dey. Just dey pray, may God answer you. They say Europe don't help Nigeria. Europe don't help Nigeria. See, you know how many people God don't bless for Nigeria. This way they call Europe. See, let me tell you, most people for this country, they cannot boast of 100,000 for account. You think say now by where Adidas cloth they had, God does be, you will see shoe select for them. You say now by where Army Tracer. Tell me say Europe don't help Nigeria. See, let me tell you, if you no get sense, this country, no wahala. You no get sense this year, you no get sense again. Una dey see una life, e dey pay me say, even when Bible say, whosoever that find a wife, find good thing or dey favor from him. But now, whosoever that find a wife, find heart attack. If they give some women document for this country, it just be like say they give them rank for army barrack. See where women they control their men just because say now they have the documents. My problem is that men no longer talk. Even woman just know say this thing when she they do no right, no good. You go just see purposely they do and just because say you know say now she hold document. The one when they pay me pass, even children now when they born for this Europe now, men now not even have right to control your picking. Because if you just tell picking and say Junior sit down there, the woman will tell you say who give you the right to shout for my picking, like say now only you one can get them. Oh, Europe. Now bad thing we do to come this country, una don't turn our own blood sister against us for this country. Our own sister no longer look us like brothers again. They look us like say we be rats when we say pussycat they pursue. When we will survive for this one? See, many men they suffer for this country, no they let them talk come out. What they keep man pass na eternal injury. Na he keep pass person when break two leg. He get wetin person will see that time. He will come out and tell your friend say, see wetin they pass through. Nobody they feed the explain give the friend now say, see wetin they happen for my family. Just because say now women hold documents. See where woman when fair born now, they even they control small boy of 25 years just because say now Europe law. Oh, when we go get sense, when we go get sense. See, this Europe when we dey now, you know say I felt talk competition no good. When I just see say person everybody just the pack enter. She be with the see wetin dey happen for inside now. No more tradition. Person no people no they no longer respect their senior. See where small pikin now go dey challenge person when senior. If you talk now, you go say, bros, dey na Europe we dey. Oh, when we go get sense, See, if we no get sense this year, we no go get sense again. We men, we dey see our life. When we men go get sense for women hands. Oh, woman born 3 children for different men, which is boys, he born her for different men, and she no dey husband house. Now she want to marry. The day of her wedding, he discover say the man don first get pikin and his wife can't die. Now he make the man want to marry. You know what happen? The woman disqualified the marriage. He say she no fit marry man when first get pikin. When we go get sense, These same women, 90% of girls, they use iPhone 11 Pro Max, while 90% of boys no get iPhone 11 Pro Max. The same 90% of boys when you no get iPhone 11 Pro Max, now they buy iPhone 11 Pro Max to 90% of girls. When we go get sense, the one when they pay me pass, most of these girls, they don't know how to use this iPhone 11 Pro Max. Not only call, then they use on the receive. iPhone 11 Pro Max. When boys will be say they will even make use of this iPhone 11 Pro Max, they no get. When we go get sense, the way they pay me now, even me, it will say I never marry now. I believe say this iPhone 11 Pro Max now will be say fear no let me buy. To say I never marry, I say na girlfriend I get. If I don't pay me, I will buy for am. But now when I don't see woman when they draw me money for iPhone 11 Pro Max, I don't feel buy for myself. I don't feel buy for myself. When women go get sense, oh God, I beg you in the name of your name. Next life, if I do what to be gay, I beg, use me do pancake. At least now guess they use me the rub. I don't tire to be man. If we no get sense this year, we no go get sense again. The one where they best me pass, women wey fair born na hot cake to we when we be men. Even we when we men, they fight ourselves because of girl wey fair born, because na hot cake they be. Oh God, I beg. If you no fit use me do the pancake, I beg, use me do their phone pack. I want the woman body, if I no fit be woman. If we no get sense this year, we no go get sense again. Una dey see una life, e dey pay me say married men and married women wey dey suppose dey happy pass for this Europe country. Guess what? Now most of them they suffer pass for this Europe country. Why? Because they are out of tradition. No tradition anymore. Back in the days, woman go put food for man table. He never bring washing hand for the next 3 minutes. That man will leave that food. Try for Europe now. Woman go push them up for table. Now they warm soup for microwave. And if you talk, they will call police. Out of tradition with your smelly character. At the end of the day, they will say, God, why me? What else do you want from God? What else do you want from God? What else do you want from God? Do you know how many women give birth inside farm today? Do you know how many women born for inside market today? Do you know how many women they push wheelbarrow for sasa? They born today. Do you know how many women born for backyard for village go pack sasa with red oil and that roti plantain tree take bath the pikin? And you are here complaining, God, why me with your smelly character? The same Oyibo land where you dey hear say Davido why go born. The same Oyibo land where you dey hear say all those top artists, all those big men go dey born, and you have the opportunity to born for the country. You still ask God, why me? With your smelly character. When last you don't use this light sleep? When last you don't buy kerosene? And people still they use them. And they don't use them for Nigeria, for village. People still they use them. If you say they like, go and ask. Una no get sense. Let me shock you. If you get belly for this country, they go tell you say in the next 30 minutes, you no dey hospital, your pikin go die. And let me shock you. If ambulance cannot come in the next 15 minutes, they will because of you call emergency helicopter in the next 5 minutes just because of you. Who are you? Who born you? Who you? When they use helicopter, they carry. You are still here complaining, say God, why me? Question when belong to you. Now we direct the question to God. So maybe they ask your smelly character, why you? You go to say, God, why me? You say, God, why me? So no get sense, so no go get sense again. What else do you want from God? Do you know for you being in this country alone, it's a testimony when you don't share your testimony? Do you know for you being in this country alone, God already answered your prayer? You are there. Ask God, why me? Know how many people dey village where they suffer? When not see the country for life. Know how many people they work visa every day? They work visa. Know how many million people they work visa? They never feel enter the Europe. You dey here, they scatter on a family, on a marriage by yourself. And they say, God, buy me. If I no get sense this year, I no go get sense again. Una dey see una life, e dey pay me say 90% of black when e dey this Europe country, ask them to tear pieces of paper, write player request. You may not supply na one thing, all of them write. God, I need document. They born you born document. They born you born document. You know if you thank God for once, God, thank you for the life you give to me. To say not be you, where for day, for village now. Anytime when I look myself for mirror, go Facebook, go see most of my friends when still dey village now. Rakomi, no fine. You dey forbid to thank God. You dey forbid to thank God. Just thank God for once. No be only collect. Even Bible say, blessed to the hand and blessed to the mother thanketh. Thank God for once. Thank God for once. Thank God for once. My problem for una be say, even though say God still do it, they give you the documents. Make they still ask you, write another prayer request. You know, still pass God, I need money. Must you need? Can't you give? Must you need? Can't you give? Can't you give? Must you need? Must you collect? You still give. Give. You know they forbid to give. You know they forbid to give. Oh God. God, allow me make I choke this one for their eye. Allow me make I choke this one for their eye. Because people, they are very ungrateful. Una can never thank God. Una mouth they forbid to pronounce thank God. Just say thank God. God, thank you. Just tell God, say thank you for this Europe when I did. They born document. If they still give you the document, you go reach your hand. Just first thank God for the one He do for you. Just first thank God. See, if I no get sense this year, I no go get sense again. Facebook only give you 5,000 space to accept friends. Now, your friends in Facebook is already in 5,000. You cannot accept friends again. The reason why you dey complain, why anything you do, they always find success in it, is because you keep wrong friends in your Facebook. See, there are a lot of people that are ready to promote you to your next level. There are a lot of people that are ready to support you until you get to your destination. Those people, they send you friend requests. You cannot accept them because your friends list is full. See, let me tell you, there are some friends you get in your Facebook, they are not helping you. They are only there to monitor your success. See, those friends, you need to block and delete them. There are some people you need to block and delete in your Facebook so that you will have enough space to accept people that are ready to promote you to your destination. If you don't get sense this year, you no go get sense again. You dey see your life. E dey pay me say most people go dey ask God, why me? Upon my prayer request, when you go answer my prayer, and let me shock you, your prayer request cannot be answered until you submit your application to God. See, let me ask you, what do you know how to do best when God will bless you with? Because even Bible say, heaven help those who help themselves. What is your occupation? What are your qualifications? What do you know how to do best when God won't bless you with? Go school, you no go. Learn work, you no learn. Employ yourself, find something to do. No, the only thing you know how to do na to dey follow women nyash. You don't one day sit down say, why e be say any girl when you talk to, she dey always dey gree for you? Is because na girl you dey specialize with. Now that thing na you sabi do well. Na wetin person dey do, na him God dey bless am with. Wetin dey vex me, na you no get money, you go dey gossip people. That guy don go do ritual, and I no dey see the way they spend money. My problem for you be say your mate dey go native doctor, dey go commit better sin. Baba, I wan make my business dey move. I wan make I dey get better contract. You dey go there, dey tell Baba, e get one girl when you come from my area, I wan make you give me jazz, make I be the first person to sleep with her. You no get sense. When you go get sense, see, this year if you no get sense, you no go get sense again. Una dey see una life, e dey pay me say girls of nowadays no longer know how to maintain and keep their private part anymore. You don't one day ask yourself, Why your man just wake up tell you say I'm no longer interested, this relationship is over, you go come dey think say you don dey see another woman outside. You no see any woman outside, you see your nakedness outside. Let me shock you, no man go dey happy when he see your wife nakedness for another man phone. Let me tell you, those days if girl tell boy say I'm no longer interested, this relationship is over, let me shock you, it is not over until that girl collect all her belongings from that boy house, including her picture. He go select all her picture for the boy's house, even the one when he and the boy gather snap together. He go carry scissors, he go tear herself comot just to make sure say any of her belongings no dey the boy house again. Wetin we dey see now, girl go dey date boy, he go snap her nakedness for the boy phone. At the end of the day, you will tell the boy say I'm no longer interested, and this relationship is over, and you go forget your nakedness for the boy phone. They see your life. Let me tell you, those days girl go wear pants, you go wear ski tie before you wear skirt. But these days now, wetin we dey see, girl they no longer wear pants before trouser again. So go wear ski tight, they go dey waka like that. Let me tell you, those days boy before you go see girl pint, he go spend a lot. But now they no longer spend money before they see pint. If you want to see pint now, you will go Facebook, you will go see pint for free. See, let me tell you now, if na 10 boys girls date before they marry now, they forget 10 pints for boys house before they marry. Allow me make I choose this one for them. Una no longer know how to keep una privacy. Una privacy don turn to publicity. See, if you no get sense this year, you no go get sense again. Imagine say man and his wife don dey waka pass boys for outside now. Na the woman matter na im dey talk. As you don pass, they go say, that woman, I don fair run am. That one come say na lie. You go say, if you think say na lie now, see my phone, see her nakedness now. When una go get sense, na private part come cheap like this. Wetin dey pay me pass be say I no know say una private part go cheap for front like this. I for no waste my money that time when I dey Nigeria. See una private part now, e come cheap. Ogbene, e no dey hard again. If person wan see pint now, e go Facebook, e go see pint. When una go get sense, if you no get sense this year, una no go get sense again. Una dey see una life, e dey pain me say some women no know how to take care of their husband. You don one day ask yourself why e be say sometimes your husband no dey eat your food? Is because he is tired of eating one food every day and night. In the morning semo, afternoon semo, evening semo. You no get sense. Let me shock you. When last you don cook fried rice for your husband? When last you don cook jollof rice for your husband? When last you don fry meat for your husband? You think say e no dey like am? Let me tell you, sometimes monitor your husband. You go see say e dey go marriage or birthday just because of fried rice and jollof rice. Sometimes even you go go birthday or marriage, na you go dey even dey tell the person wey dey share food say, madam, mix am with jollof rice and fried rice together. Just because say you don't know your duty. Let me tell you, e dey very easy for another woman wey know how to cook. E dey very easy to collect your husband for your hand, especially some of those single mother. Let me tell you, if some single mother see just 2 days to take care of your husband, they don't collect her for your hand with that, because they will take care of your husband for you. If they go cook fried rice, jollof rice, meat pie, different things. When last you don't do tea and fry egg, toast am with bread, say my husband come eat? The only thing wey you know how to cook, semo. The other easy one na beans. You no get sense. See, make I tell you, Some women, some men, they like sex. Some men, they don't like sex. They like you because of your food when you dey cook. When you go get sense, when you go get sense. See, this year, if you no get sense, you no go get sense again. Imagine say man and his wife don dey waka pass boys for outside now. Na the woman matter na im dey talk. As you don pass, they will say, that woman, I don't fair run her. That one come say na lie. You go say, if you think say na lie now, see my phone. See her nakedness now. Oh, when una go get sense, na private part come cheap like this. Oh, wetin dey pay me pass be say, I no know say una private part go cheap for front like this. I for no waste my money that time when I dey Nigeria. See una private partner, e come cheap. Ogbene, you know they hard again. If person wan see pint now, he go Facebook, he go see pint. When una go get sense, if you no get sense this year, una no go get sense again.
What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup Not the Rain, aka at the verse. This morning now at the verse. You know, if I come out here, I will tell you at the verse. I want to know the reason why at the verse. I take God beg you. If you dey watch this video now and you know say you don't build your house finish, if you don't share this video, God not go happy with you. Because at the verse for some kind of people, when you come this Europe, since 7 years ago, they will tell me say they never build house. So if you buy land since 7 years ago, they never dig the foundation. So if you build a house, reach knitted to roof since 7 years ago, no problem. If you ask them, why una never roof your house? You will say, since when I built that house, reach knitted. Now village people, they disturb me. Now wish they disturb me. I don't call the see money again. And you dey smoke cigar? You dey smoke cigar? You dey smoke cigar, be? You dey smoke cigar? They go ask her, since when you put that house, when you buy that land, why you never build for inside? He go say, since 7 years ago, when I just buy that land, wish no let me be, wish they disturb me, now make me, I never feel build a house for inside. I won't tell you now. Now you be the wish. Who they worry yourself? Now you be the wish. Now you be the wish when they worry yourself. Now you be the wish when they worry yourself. And you dey smoke cigar? You know how much you did smoke cigar since 7 years ago? No, I come for you. You know how much you did smoke cigar since 7 years ago. I will tell you now, because if you watch this video, you know wise and you know get sense. You know go get sense again. You know go get sense again. Which do you want wise? You never build. Me na siam. I hold a combo. You understand? One packet of cigar. You understand? One packet of cigar. You understand? Make a check for that. One packet of cigar, 15 euro. One packet of cigar, 15 euro. And people, they buy 2 for a week. I don't do the calculation. People go buy 2 for a week. Even so, they buy 3 a week. I calculate with 2 for a week. 2, you buy 2 cigar a week. That's 30 euro. When I calculate them, a year you they use 528,000. The small cigar for a year. When I times them for you for 7 years, you use 3,698,000 when you taste small cigar for 7 years. How much that they do fast? How much that they do fast? How much that they roof house? That land when you buy 7 years ago, how much you go take build 2 bedroom flat? How much you go take build 2 bedroom flat when you tell me say I no get money, which they disturb you? The wish you don't know say you don't buy that land before. When you won't buy and the wish not see you, make it for just stop you, make you not buy. The wish not see you when you buy and you can't build and it's needed to roof on, you can't say that time I wish they disturb you. Now you be wish when they disturb yourself. If you know get sense this year, you not go get sense. You not go get sense again. You not go get sense again at the verse. If at the verse, they don't know why. They don't know the reason why at the verse. At the verse, if you not change this year, make una see. I don't tell about see. Una dey see. Make una see. Even now when you get calculator, make una try some. Una dey see. Una dey see. See 3,696,000. Use a smoke cigar. I never talk about Igbo. If you go calculate Igbo join, let me say you they use almost 7 million. They smoke for 7 years. You will tell me say I don't get money not they wish they worry you. Now you be the wish. Now you be the wish when they worry yourself. Now you be the wish when they worry yourself. Now you be the wish when they worry yourself. At the verse this morning, I beg make una share this video so that all those boys they need to get sense because their sense is they are nyash. Make una share this video now, make them know. At the verse this morning now, just the verse. I beg you, I don't tire for all those kind of people. What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup Not the Rain, aka at the verse. This morning at the verse. I want to talk about Europe boys and Europe girls. Brother, you dey see your life? Brother, you dey see your life? I be you, Nana. Fellow boy like you go come meet you, say, brother, I beg, help me. You go say, when you new come Europe, you see who help you? Boy like you go come meet you, tell you, say, I beg, position me. You go see that the position person for Europe, when I new come, I see who position me. Why your life be like this? Why your life be like this? Why? Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? See, you know they pay me again because most of una when they Europe don't stingy to say una they stingy for una self. Let me break your heart right now. Many people they Europe, they get 3 fridge for inside room. After they talk to you now, go inside that fridge now. All the 3 fridge they're empty. Nothing there inside. But if guy tell they say that they come tomorrow, if guy just tell boy say they come tomorrow, now those 3 empty fridge now, they go enter supermarket, enter Africa store, they go fill them. 500 euro not reach them. They buy everything for inside that fridge now because they get they come. Why una life be like this? 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 Wetin man do man? I want break your heart right now. You know they think you don't want to sit down say how many girls they go prison for a year? If you go inside prison, 500 boys they inside prison. You know we even see 100 girls. Where they girls no they go prison, now only boys they go. And I won't shock you now. And the reason why you they go prison now, those girls they motivate you to go inside prison because you they do sure they manage. Girl will come meet you say, I know they like sure boy. Now Ogbo they like you can't go join Ogbo. And if you join the Ogbo now, if police hold you, go prison or the potential camp, you know they take 1 week. That girl don't enter another boy hand. You know go feel wait for you know go even play make you come out again. Which type of life be this? And you know won't get sense. You see they spend money for them. You see they spend money for them. You see they spend money for them. Because if I they flog you now, you go say I don't come out again. Make I shock you now. And they do this comedy to advise you. 100,000 people they watch my video. 2,000 they share them. But subscription when I get never reach 100. It never even reach 300. But if now get they do and now get subscription for don't reach 10,000 because now boy they do one. Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? Una no want get sense, Una no want get sense. See, all the guests when they Europe, most of una, I never get to na time. Oh, I never talk about una. No me say I no get to na for my do. I want you first of all correct my niggas them. Make the fair get sense before I go come for una. Before I go come for una, if I come for guests, you see that una make una go lock 'em. Una go know say na soup no dey rain. AKA at the verse. If I verse at the talk anyhow. So una say una won't kill our boys. Una won't frustrate our boys. The only thinking when they kill man pass na relationship thinking na they kill man pass. People who start prison, you know go fit call them again. Your boyfriend when they give you 500 euro, you know fit call them again. Did the position camp. At the end of the day, una go dey say I love you, baby. Go do your ogbo. After you do the ogbo, give you the money finish. Now you go see frustrate them. You know they grip buy food for inside fridge. But anytime when you hear say you they come, you go feed the fridge down. If they show you love, but the time when they need do most, now that time you take it frustrate them. Oh, if I curse you now, they will say don't start to the curse, but I never get to that time. I go come for now. I go come for now. All those girls with the Europe, I they come for now. I say I go come for now. I go come for now. I go come for now. Make una no worry.